Hello, we are right now at the Jurong East Bird Park, and this is the main entrance. We can see that they displayed for parrots there. I think they're from Africa. They're huge, really big. Now this is the first site we visit. It's called Penguin Coast. Now here's a penguin swimming. Yeah. He didn't dive in. When I walk in, I saw the penguin diving in the water, and now this one is just floating. I don't know how cool it's there inside, but outside, yeah, it's just really hot. Oh, it's diving in. Okay. Very cute. There is a group of penguins. I heard that they have 5 different species of penguins in this building. This is probably the most famous kind of, and they're standing in line. You can see, and there. I think this is another kind of species. See, they're smaller and the color is not that bright. It is really fun to watch them swimming. They are actually looking like a oval shape. So their body shape makes it very easy to swim in the water. See, like that? We are walking, and suddenly we see those huge birds. I have no idea what they should be called, but yeah, just very strange. Oh, okay, we see some flamingo there. They're not really so red, you see, but the underwing feathers are black. See, black. And these two in front of us, I'm not really sure what they're called. Those are flamingo, and there's a white thing. I think it's a crane family. I think it's a pelican family. Look at the beak. Yeah. I think flamingo is probably the most weird bird in the world. The feather is just red, pink red. It's so interesting.
I always tell the student why is it that the flamingo is pink? Why? Okay, 我要问大家好，这个不是填写问答题呀，是有根据的。你们知不知道为什么mango 是粉红色的？有没有人知道？有没有人知道为什么粉红色 ？OK， 它粉红色是因为它吃的东西，这些粉mango它们是吃那种。
There's another crane family.
在他们的国家呢，他们是也是一种粉红的家哈。
I have a tourist group around me, so the tourist guide is explaining why the feather of flamingo is pink. It's actually become of their diet. They're eating some kind of pink shrimp or something, so they get the color from their diet. Oh, they're flying, so beautiful. See? Oh, so cool. Look. Wow. It's very beautiful. Okay, now here's the pelican lake or pelican pond. Okay, let's take a look very carefully. You can see their beak, their like mouse beak. very huge. And we have some standing there. See? Just very interesting birds. Now it starts to rain. It's very common at Singapore that it rains almost like every day in the afternoon. It's typical tropical zone weather. So all the pelicans look like this. They're just hiding their nests. Yeah, interesting, huh? Interesting kind of position. See? Now the rain is almost done, and look, they're all stretching their wings to shed the water off. So they all change the position from very defensive one to this relaxed, more active one. Now here we're at African waterfall aviary. So let's see what we can see inside. Now it's the feeding time. Look at those birds. They're so pretty. See? It's a shiny blue color. Oh, so beautiful. And there are two big ones. Here's one. I think it's a crane family. And there's another one. Let me see where. Oh no, I cannot see. A lot of people block our way. We cannot see. There are, I think, look. Is it beautiful?
Yes, thank you. Somebody told me donation. Yeah, I like to see that person. Let me drop a donation first. Sorry, in the waiting, isn't it? Okay, yeah, by the way,
that person is explaining about different species here. We'll save some battery, and when she starts to feed, I will shoot more. See those? That is a plate of fruit. I heard that African birds, they not only eat worms, but they also eat fruit. That is weird. And that is their food, worm. See? Somebody's feeding. Dana! And this is the goose. Look very calm, right? It's so funny. There's another plate of fruits, and they're fighting for the food. This is when we walked down the aisle. We saw a big, I don't know, it's a chicken? Some kind of bird here. Okay. We are now entering in a huge cage. Can you see the cage here? There? Can you see? Yeah. So this is a huge cage. They say that in this cage we're supposed to see a toucan. I don't know if I pronounced it correctly, but let's see what kind of birds we can find out. It's the little tiny one. The black and the yellow, and there's another yellow one. See? They're very cute. And some ducks, probably. Yeah. See? Oh, and here's the one diving. See? Diving. Is there any birds there? Here's another duck. Cleaning his feather because it just rained, so they're all doing the cleaning job right now. Okay, we're now at another huge cage. Can you see the cage there? Yeah, this is like a huge cage. And this cage is called Lorry. Yeah. So they have different types of parrots. They're very cute. This is a board telling you what kind of birds you're going to see here. So now, see this one? Those birds are not afraid of people at all. See, this one is here. Huh? Is that cute? Okay, let's see what. Oh, here's another one. They're really talking to you. Right? This is a jungle. Very deep. We're now on the bridge. Oh, this red one is so cute, huh? Huh? Another yellow one, the green one. Okay, we see a big black bird here. It's supposed to be a kind of parrot as well, but this is the first time I've seen a black one. Yeah? Okay. Now this cage is hornbill. See? A huge beak. And their voice is, the pitch is lower than the parrots. And there's another, where? No, I don't see it. Anyway, okay, we'll just keep walking. Okay, do you know what those birds are? Those are huge. I think there must be some kind of chicken, but they're actually kind of pigeon. I just can't imagine a pigeon to be that big. But the crown is very beautiful. You can see. Okay, let's go inside to see. Oh, this one is standing on the roof. Hi, hello. Okay, let's put a door and let's go inside. Okay, we're on a hallway, and here we have those kind of birds. I don't know how to say this in English, but cormorant. Okay, and here we have like really bright red birds, and they are what? Ibis or ibis? Not really sure. It's actually quite smelly, so smelling is just so bad. Okay, I need to walk really fast.